Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share a presentation about entrepreneurship. Lecture note is about financial planning and projections for electrical engineering business. My name is Marina Artiasa. I'm from electrical engineering. Okay, about the introduction, as we know that electrical engineering business has great potential because the demand for electrical installation services, maintenance and sales of electronic products continues to increase along with the growth of infrastructure, urbanization and technological developments. However, like any other business, the success of an electrical engineering business is highly dependent on careful financial planning and realistic projections. In this lecture note, we will discuss the steps to create a financial plan and projection for an electrical engineering business in detail. We will also include simple case studies, risk analysis, opportunities, and reference from academic literature to support the information. Okay, so the first question is, why is financial planning important in business? The answer is, financial planning is the process of identifying sources of income, allocation expenses, and projecting future financial conditions. According to Brigham and Houston 2019, financial planning has several main benefits for business actors, like identifying growth opportunities by understanding the current financial conditions. Business actors can find areas that can be developed, and then managing risk effectively. Financial planning helps identify potential risks and design mitigation strategies. Increasing operational efficiency. Good financial management ensures that every rupiah is used optimally. And for electrical engineering business, financial planning becomes even more important because it involves significant initial investments in equipment and inventory, as well as fluctuating operating costs. In addition, this business often requires significant working capital to complete long terms. Now, here's the step to create financial plan. A. Identify source of income. The main source of income in the electrical engineering business can be divided into three main categories. 1. Electrical installation services. Electrical installation services are one of the main sources of income in the electrical engineering business. Here are more details. Household, new installation, usually done when there is a new house construction or major renovation. The cost of a new installation ranges from 5 to 10 million rupiah, depending on the size of the house and the complexity of the work. And then repairs and upgrades. For example, adding electrical outlets, repairing short circuits, or replacing electrical panels or some cable maybe, repairs costs usually range from 1 to 3 million or more, yeah, rupiah in rupiah. And then commercial, shops and restaurants. Electrical installations for shops or restaurants usually include the installation of lights, electrical outlets, and air conditioning system. The cost of a small commercial project ranges from 50, 15 to 30 million rupiah. Office building. Electrical installation projects for office building are usually more complex, involving power distribution systems, electrical panels, and automation system. The cost of this project can reach 50 to 100 million rupiah or maybe more. Yeah, it depends of the complexity. And in industry, industrial electrical panels. Installing electrical panels for large factories or industries require careful planning and special equipment. The cost of industrial projects can reach hundreds of millions to billions of rupiah. Automation control system. Installing automation control system for industrial machines is also a high value service. The cost of this project can reach 202 million rupiah depending on the scale, yeah, because it's also include wiring and programming and so on, yeah. And then electronic product sales, yeah. Electronic product sales includes various electrical components and engineering equipment. Also electronic components, yeah. Some examples are electrical components like cables, yeah, many type of cables, switches, sockets, and electrical safety devices such as MCB or miniature circuit breaker. The profit margin from the sale of these products usually ranges from 20 to 40%. And then engineering equipment, digital multimeters, professional soldering irons, electrical test equipment, etc. These products usually have a higher profit margins, which is 30 to 50%. And then maintenance and repair. Maintenance and repair service include routine maintenance, periodic inspection of electrical systems to ensure safety and efficiency. Routine maintenance costs usually range from 500,000 rupiah to 2 million rupiah per location. Yeah, it depends, yeah. And then emergency repairs. For example, repairing short circuits or damage to electrical panels. Emergency repairs costs are usually higher, ranging from 1 to 5 million rupiah, depending on the level of damage. According to Kotler and Keller, 2021, income diversification can increase business stability because it does not depend on just one source. Therefore, electrical engineering business are advised to offer a variety of services in order to attract more customers. And then B, yeah, calculate operating costs. Operating costs are all expenses required to run an electrical engineering business. These costs can be divided into two categories. One, fixed costs. Fixed costs are expenses that are relatively constant each month, even though the volume of work fluctuates. For example, business premises rental. If you have a physical business premises, the rental cost can reach 2 to 5 million per month rupiah, depending on the location. Or if you have your own strategic place, it means we don't have to spend a lot of money to rent a space, yeah. And then employee salaries. The salaries of technicians or field workers ranges from 3 to 5 million per employee per month, yeah. If you have two employees, the total monthly salary is 6 to 10 million rupiah. Maybe for the first it can be less than that because in the first maybe not many business, yeah. People don't know us yet. Business insurance. Insurance is to protect assets and legal liability, usually range from 500,000 rupiah to 1 million rupiah per month. And then administration costs, the cost of electricity, internet, telephone, and other administrative needs is around 1 to million per month. Total monthly fixed cost is 7.5 million rupiah. And then number 2, variable costs. Variable costs are expenses that change according to the volume of work. For example, raw material, purchase of cables, switches, sockets, or other electrical components. Estimated monthly raw material costs are 3, 4 to 5 million rupiah. Transportation. Transportation costs for technicians to the project location around 1 to 2 million rupiah. And then business tax. Business taxes usually range from 1 to 2% of income. If monthly income is 48 millions, taxes are around 480,000 to 960,000 rupiah per month. And then marketing, like advertising, promotion, or website creating costs around 500,000 to 1 million rupiah per month. And then total monthly variable cost is like 5 million rupiah. And then initial investment. Initial investment is the capital needed to start an electrical engineering business. Some items that require initial investment include basic work tools like pliers, screwdrivers, testers, etc. Cost is around 5 million rupiah. And then special equipment like digital multimeter, professional soldering iron, electrical test equipment, etc. cost around 10 million. Yeah. I guess that we have to buy a good special equipment and basic work tools, because if you buy good tools, it can last long. Yeah. And then operational vehicles, motorcycle or car for technician transportation cost around 20 to 5 million. Yeah, you could buy a second hand car that is still good, or a motorcycle if there is only one people. Yeah. Initial capital for product stock to purchase electrical components or engineering equipment as initial stock cost around 110 million rupiah. Total initial investment is like 45 to 75 million rupiah. And then financial projection, income projection, monthly income assumption based on the number of projects that can be completed. Household projects is like 5 projects a month, multiple by 5 million is like 25 million rupiah per month. And then commercial project is like 1 project per month, and then multiple by 20 million is like 20 million per month. And then product sales is like 3 million per month. And then total monthly income is 25 million, add with 20 million, and then add with 3 million is the same with 48 million per month. Total annual income 48 million multiplied by 12 months is the same with 576 million. And then expenditure projection, total monthly expenses, fixed cost 75 million, variable cost 5 million, total monthly expenses 25 million plus 20 million plus 3 million is the same with 48 million per month. Total annual income 48 million multiplied by 12 months. Yeah. And then expenditure projection, total monthly expenses, yeah, like this. Yeah. And then total annual expenses 150 million, Net profit projection. Net profit is calculated as the difference between revenue and expenses. Annual revenue is 576 million. Annual expenses is like 150 million. Initial and investment 50 million. Annual net profit is 576 million divide by not divide, minus ya 150 million, and then minus 550 million is like 376 million ya, annual net profit. And then risk and opportunity analysis. Risk is some risks that may be faced in the electrical engineering business include high competition. Many similar business actors offer lower prices. Raw material price fluctuation. The price of cable, switches, or electrical components can increase due to inflation or scarcity. Limited experts. Difficulty finding competent and experienced technicians. Risk mitigation can be done by building a strong reputation through quality service, establishing strategic partnership with suppliers to get better price, ya, conducting regular employee training, ya, because if you have a certification, ya, the people will trust you more, and then you will get more project, ya. It's for Brigham and Houston 2019. And then the opportunities. Opportunities for expansion include service expansion, offering regular maintenance services or technical consultation services, expanding the market, entering the industrial market with large projects, increase online sales, selling electronic products through e-commerce platforms such as Tokopedia or Shopee, ya, or TikTok, ya, or many more, ya. And the conclusion is the financial plan and projection for the electrical engineering business show that this is for example, ya, that with the annual revenue of 576 million and expenditure of 150 million, annual net profit can reach 376 million rupiah. This shows the potential for significant profit if financial management is carried out properly. In addition, diversification of services and product sales can increase income stability. Okay, that's all for now. If there is any question, we can discuss in the group, ya. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.